Multnomah County is also entering its second week on the governor's watch list. This as cases continue to climb. Now, the big question is, where does Multnomah County stand, and could this mean going backward? Our Fox 12's Drew Reeves heard from county officials today to get that answer for us. Drew?
Yeah, once a county enters the watch list, it means that it can't move forward in a phase for at least 3 weeks. Multnomah County health officials say no one expected that to happen anyways, but they do say that fears that the county could go backwards shouldn't be valid. Last week, Multnomah County crossed the governor's threshold to make the watch list.
These are counties that the state is looking at closely because of our sporadic cases. So again, these are cases that are not linked to an outbreak.
Counties that have more than 5 sporadic cases and more than 50 cases of COVID-19 per 100,000 people get added to that list.
With that comes an offer of state support, a bit more scrutiny, and an understanding that we would not advance to any additional phases for at least the next 3 weeks, which I think no one in Multnomah County expected to advance anyway, given the trends.
Multnomah County says it's now working on what kind of assistance it will be asking for.
Our county chair is still finalizing what those requests are going to look like, and we'll be sharing those with the state this week. And it ranges from some specific asks for supplies to how we handle outbreaks.
Marion County also made the watch list last week. Both counties say they are working on how to get their numbers back down.
I think some really good communication and messaging is needed around like positive social normings about, thank you for wearing your mask. Thank you for social distancing. We understand how challenging it is to not see your friends and family.
Both counties continue to ask people to social distance and to wear masks in public. Multnomah County says another issue holding them back is the lack of COVID testing and the lag time between getting a test taken and the results, making it more difficult for contact tracers to do their jobs. But as officials try to get their numbers back down, don't expect things to look quite like they did several months ago.
I don't foresee a Multnomah County stay-at-home order in the near future.
The county says it also doesn't expect businesses to shut back down because that's not where the data is showing the biggest amount of spread.
Where we definitely see spread is in people's social gatherings.
Another big goal in getting those numbers down is getting kids back to school in person. The governor has said for kids K through 12 to go to school in person, cases will have to be lower than 10 per 100,000 people. Multnomah County health officials say that mark will be extremely difficult to reach, but they are hopeful they'll get there. Reporting live in Northeast Portland, Drew Reeves, Fox 12 Oregon.